Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a good beginning to the week. Very quickly, welcoming you to the another session of analysis with Catalyst Trading Institute. So, friends, we had a good day today. We took two trades on the Bank Nifty side, right? Personally, I had said in my analysis too, do not short Nifty. Nifty is strong. Bank Nifty and FinNifty look weak. So between the two, I think the trading range formed well for Bank Nifty, and I had taken a trade in Bank Nifty. So today in the session, what we'll do is we'll try to analyze Bank Nifty, FinNifty, and Nifty charts. FinNifty from expiry perspective, right? We'll try to observe FinNifty from the expiry perspective. So friends, what happened today, right? In the second half, in fact, I did a live session. We luckily got a trade which was on the long on the short side, right? And it gave decent points. So if I look at this chart, right, this is a VIX chart. Volatility actually did not increase throughout the day. In fact, if you see, volatility kept decreasing and market kept falling. Now, again, do not correlate volatility always with the fall, that if the fall happens, volatility has to increase. It could also be because the premiums were not written, there was no panic in the market. This is profit booking, right? This is not selling, as in this is not creating new shorts. This is exiting of existing positions. So I saw that market did not give any good movement for, as in premium movement for PE in the second half. In the first half, it gave a decent move at the market from the level which I had given as short, right? Fell 400 points. So anyone who would have entered and held on to their trades, at least, right, they would have made 100, points on the premium, right? So VIX has a very different story to say. Um, Again, it will stay erratic tomorrow. I think tomorrow is this week, right? We have India CPI data. It will throw some more light in terms of where the market wants to take this entire thing. Else, do not try to so right now VIX and markets are not correlating or not syncing back well. Watch this, but do not take this as a barometer of taking a trade, right? Now, in terms of index, Bank Nifty, right? In my yesterday's video, I had clearly called out this as a level for shorting. I said if it opens gap up, which it did, right? It came back and tested the closing candle from prior day. I said do not short anywhere. Wait if it gives you a shorting opportunity around 45,080 or 45,168, right? 45,168 is where I took a short. We got a clear cut negative reversal candle here. From here, our targets were, first target was obviously swing low, second target was this candle, and third target was 45,650. 650, 44, 650. It is yet to come. For tomorrow, what am I expecting? Right now, if you see, there is a good trend line being formed here. I would try and see, look at this, right? Ideally, if market opens in this range, if it opens gap up in this range, I would not do anything. I would wait for a range to form. Personally, I am expecting first half to be grinding. So if the market opens in the range, right, in first 15-20 minutes, if you don't see any movement, probably the movement will happen in the second half. Then probably after range formation, right, this could actually come down all the way till 44,650. This is the level, right? This is the level where it can come. Long, right, actually do not take above this trend line. If you get it right, let the trend line break, give a solid closing. Best place to go long would be here. I am targeting this above 45,200. You would get a movement of 100 points. I would target that. In between, it's a complete messed up zone, so I would not like to enter. So my one trade will come here, my second trade may come here, right? These are the only two alternatives that I'm looking at. A gap up, bearish candle after formation of range, I will take a short. Gap down, right? Very, very tricky to trade. Globally, the market today are yet to trade, but we'll see. But this is the only possibility that I am seeing in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is not bearish. This is just profit booking, guys. This is just profit booking, right? I am expecting probably if the market opens gap down, a big gap down of say 200 250 points, a bullish candle here, I may enter or in the direction of long. My long will be this, then a retest and then another trade here, right? So gap down, I will look at long. Gap up, I would look at range and then fall. Market opens in this flat range, this will make things very difficult, right? I will update it in the group in case there is a trade. So bank nifty clearly is in a no trade zone if I look at the spot chart. Now let's go to bank nifty components. Let's go to bank nifty components, right? What is bank nifty component saying? So today the show was spoiled by Kotak, then IndusInd Bank. So everyone, right, took turns to spoil the show. Now, if I look at six components, right, what are the six components telling me? They are not going in single direction. For tomorrow, if you see, right, HDFC is actually has corrected. HDFC Bank, sorry, let me just call it out as HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, the rally that it gave, it has corrected, is now holding this. Above 1661, it could go to 1676. Below this level, right, 1649, it could come till 1640 or 1637, right? So movement downside is restricted for HDFC, especially if it is a gap down. HDFC can actually then start going upside, right? So it is neutral, but I personally am seeing neutral to bullish in HDFC. ICICI is similar chart, but ICICI now is trading towards its support. Interestingly, this morning candle was not taken out. If ICICI tomorrow trades above these levels, you may see some sort of short covering happening here. I am expecting this area, right? 950 taken out, my targets would be 954 and 958, right? So axis, the ICICI is also showing some signs of bullishness. Kotak obviously has given the recovery in the last half an hour, but again it's trading between resistance and support. It is pure neutral. Above this, I would look at bullish. I need a solid body closing at 1878. It could go all the way to 1900. Again, it is neutral to bullish. Below 1852, it is bearish. So gap down, then we'll have to reassess. Axis Bank, which used to be a good, as in bullish stock for a long time, at this place has actually shown some sort of profit booking happening consistently. I am seeing if it cannot hold on to this level, this could invite some selling right up to 953. Axis Bank right now, if I see, is not bullish, it is not neutral, it is trending. See, it is looking more and more bearish. If I see a closing above 967, I would look at this from a some bit of, for short sellers, right, some bit of profit booking. But Axis Bank is bearish. So of the four component, right, Axis Bank is bearish, HDFC has a space both side, ICICI could surprise upside, and Kotak also most probably could surprise upside. Same is the story with SBI. SBI today also opened, went up and then came down, but interestingly this is also trading on the higher end. Let's look at a daily chart. If you see, SBI has started consolidating near the previous selling levels, right? Ideally, if not, if it continues consolidation, probably sometime next week we'll see this taking a charge towards 606 to 619. For me, SBI is neutral right now. Yeah, IndusInd, by far the strongest chart, actually took out, it consolidated here, took out the levels and then is going up. For me, this is a bullish chart, could retest 1387 as a level, right? So component chart saying probably if market opens gap down could go up, else we'll wait and watch. Now comes the call and put chart. So call chart very clearly 44,800 C. Simply put, if tomorrow it opens between 246 and 280, consolidates and takes out this level of 294, you are in for 330 and 360, right? Keep a 25 point stop loss, take a trade for 30 to 50 points. Put good consolidation in this range. Now for tomorrow, I do not see this has broken the trend line. So ideally, I do not want this to close to open below 256, right? Ideally, I wanted to open between 285 and 332, consolidate and then take out for the targets of 362, and then it could go all the way to 424 and 494, right? The charts are slightly messed up, but looks like there will be some bounce tomorrow, right? This is what I am seeing in the components and the option chart. Now let's look at Nifty. I said clearly do not short. Nifty is bullish. Look at this. Nifty, if it opens between 19,320 and 19,381, consolidates and takes out, you could see 19,435 and 19,497 in Nifty, right? Nifty, no thoughts of shorting. In fact, Nifty can take support at 19,260, 300 or 330. I would look at buying the dip rather than selling in Nifty. The message is very simple. Now, why am I saying so? If you see components, right, there is no sign. So IT, right, did a good job. So Bank Nifty fell, but Bank Nifty has not fallen big, right? Intraday the fall was there. FMCG profit booking, but this guy is actually showing strength. Nifty IT, right? This is showing strength. This is a small profit booking above 29, above 29 230. You would see 29 370 and 524. Tomorrow Nifty IT, right? Maybe surprise. Nifty Metal due to Adani was actually doing very well. Defensives, there is a profit booking. So tomorrow Nifty actually for long, right? Look at Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. Quickly, let's look at the components of three components of Nifty that we typically do our analysis on, right? HDFC, same chart like HDFC Bank, about 2773 can show 2797. Again, it's taking a support. Let it confirm the support. If you see, right, this morning candle, the low which was formed, it's forming a higher low. Let it take out this high, you would see bullishness. The entire rally in Nifty today was primarily due to Reliance. Reliance just did not fall. Consolidation at the top above 2750 can go till, I feel this is actually priming up fairly well. There was a news here about 2750. This can go to 2800. Reliance and Reliance Jio, right? The split news is there. Next is Nifty IT showed some signs of reversal. So did Infi. About 1342. One can buy again for 1357 and 1380 as targets. So personally, I am seeing Nifty as a better candidate for going long rather than Bank Nifty. Let's look at Nifty Financial Services chart, which says, okay, FinNifty, right? Interestingly, has a very, it has, okay, surprisingly, while the components are same, very simple, right? Between 20,077 and 20,040, if it opens, consolidates, right? It's actually forming a symmetrical triangle here. Now, if it breaks this with a solid body, 20,027, take a trade for 19,964. If it breaks above this, you can take a trade for 20,138. Given tomorrow is expiry, right? I feel it will further continue to contract the volatility, right? So friends, that's it. I don't want to pick up stocks for now. For this week, I just want to observe, wait and watch, right? In case there is something else, I will put in the group. Adani group shares are looking good, but there is a news I don't want to give it. Adani Enterprises is the call that we gave. People made fantastic money on the in the mentorship program there. I hope you guys have also carried some trades there. Right? From us, that's it. I will try and see if I can come live tomorrow. If no, if yes, I will post a message. Keep notifications on. Friends, share our channel. Ensure your friends, family members are subscribing to our channel, and do join our live sessions. There is a lot of quality content that we share. Thank you, friends.